purchased this one. Let me see, what is this actually. I forgot what I ordered. I ordered a lot of things, so let's find it out. What is it? It's very quick. That's it. Oh, fantastic. That packed very nicely, see. Okay, what is this one? Cordless shoulder massager with a heat. The model TR188. Oh, this is my massage machine for my back and necks, arms and legs, anywhere you can massage, no problem. Okay, this one here, I think this is the charger wire. This is the instruction how to work. Okay, and here, and let me see. Oh, just nice case, see? It looks good. And this is the machine. Very nice. Machine's here. And this is the power. Let me see. Oh, now I have to charge it first, that's why it doesn't work right now. So you can put that in your neck, this one, like this, and you can put your hand here. You put the hand here, and you can wear it to your neck or your back, wherever you like to massage. So the wire goes to here to charge. There are two different kinds of machine. So this one, this one is rechargeable. So once you recharge it to like 100%, then you don't need to charge it again. So once it finishes, of course you need to charge it. And the other one is the while you're using the machine, you need to charge it, otherwise it's not working. So that was a little bit cheaper, but this one a little bit more expensive. So once it already charged full, then you can use it without the wire. Okay, so this wire goes to here. This, yeah, that's it. I think I paid this one about 80 bucks. Oh, it has a little bit battery now. I paid this one 80 bucks. The other one is $48. You know, that's it. That's the difference. That's it, guys. I hope this you like it, and I will show you how to use it properly once I charge it full battery. Thank you, guys. I hope